After opening the software, the first step is to import the workpiece. Import the part. And select our three-dimensional drawing. This is the tongue. Open. After importing the part, this is 1. You can modify the required quantity here. 5. Click OK. Then enter the layout interface. Click on the automatic layout. Click on this part here. Click on the remaining part. You can also modify the quantity here. 6 key. Then click on the pipe. Click Add here. Our workpiece is a pipe with a diameter of 100 mm and click the remaining. Set it here. Click OK. Here, like the isolated island light, there is a confirmation. Click Confirm. The software automatically arranges the layout. Double-click the part here. These are the 6 balls arranged. Then this icon is rotation. Rotate around the x-axis. Look at this tongue. This tongue is correct. After the layout, click Generate Code. There is a simulation under this interface. And select an island for priority. Continuous cutting. Click on Simulation. Here you can set the speed to accelerate. The perforation is here. This is the ancient road park. I won't put the needle in at this time. Then modify the perforation point position. Click on the lead wire. Add should be. This control point is a dot. Click Apply. Then click on the lead wire. Move the lead wire. I'll rotate it first. You can see, the lead should be in. It was originally in this position. Click it to move it. Move it to this corner. The point will be moved over. This is a common side. This can be moved. Move it to this position. The common side can't be moved. This place can be moved. Well, these 3 have been moved. This is the 4th one. After zooming in, see this point. After moving, and click this again, generate code to simulate. This is the 2nd point. No problem, this point should be moved over. Then stop. Click Move again. It's moved directly. Look at this square. Can this point be moved here? Okay, it should be double-clicked. Let's look at the first one. It's also at the top. No operation. Well, this has changed again. It's okay now. When moving, press the mouse's scroll wheel, and then drag it left and right. You can see the pipe. Then click Generate Code at this time. Don't change anything. Click OK to confirm. Save it at this time. Then save it. At this time, the code is generated. This is the entire process.